LearnWorlds is an enterprise level learning management system with all the things that any large organization bigger than yours would ever want or need. So that gives you a lot to grow into.
Okay.
Priced at an online course Kajabi type level. So usually this collection of features that sits on something like Docebo or Absorb or a lot of these other platforms that we also work on, you're going to be paying licensing fees. But
Yes.
LearnWorlds has sort of like it's like $297 a month, and you get an enterprise level system that does 100% or 95% of everything you could ever need or want.
Okay.
It's brilliant, and we put more clients on this platform than any other platform. And
Okay.
they're all really great, right? They all have special stuff, but this is the yeah, these guys really got it figured out.